This is what happens when you eat some good turkey. Happy late Thanksgiving. Girl, what you doing? Say happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on decorating. Everything for fall has to go to the attic, meaning I had to go to the attic right now. It's pretty early still. It's like 6 o'clock, but it's dark outside. And we're gonna get the stuff out of the attic to see what I have going on so we can go get some new items to decorate for Christmas. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look. Outfit of the day. So this shirt not only is cute and fall vibes, but it actually smells like my dad. Which it made me very emotional today, and I was crying in the car on the way to go celebrate Thanksgiving with my mom. Because like I truly miss my dad so much. And when I told him that I wanted this shirt, my aunt was visiting him, well, my family over there, and she just brought it to me, and I just, my hair is done. Like, I have been feeling myself lately a lot, guys, so praise the Lord for that. When I thought I was ugly. Ooh. The garage is cold, y'all, like for real. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take everything out of myself, but I'm gonna get a head start since Preston went to go get some gas. You scared me.
Is Daddy here?
No, not yet.
Oh, Mom, just get, okay, good.
A few minutes later.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I think I should just wait for my husband. We are very independent. God gives me strength. I don't trust myself. I trust Jesus, but I don't trust myself. Maybe not. Let me show you real quick of what's going on over here. Recently, they had come over here to fix some stuff, and there's nothing white over there. That is why it's cold in my room. It makes sense. Everything is over here. Like, I don't know what tree is what tree. I'm gonna just get them both off. All the Christmas stuff is like around here, and then I'm sitting on one that has the main one. I don't know. Let's just wait on Preston. I have found the tree that I wanted in the living room, and I have like 3 of them. I didn't even know that, but now I know. We are still waiting on Preston because he needs to get my main box. So let's get this inside and wait for the hubby because it's cold out here. Ooh, looks like to me that we might have a problem. Oh no. My goal is to gather everything that is Thanksgiving on Thanksgiving, put it away so I can prep the house and decorate for Christmas. I think I'm late to the game though. And when we are ready for Christmas, it's gonna be red and not yellow. Here comes the hubby, the handsome. There he is. The one and only Preston Okwano.
Yes, it's me. He's my wife's mess.
Listen, my mess is your mess, honey.
I see that.
There you go. Now you can see my brains. So, did you get the pie?
They didn't have it.
Oh.
They were out.
But he got the treats for the dogs. table is clear for me to just see what I have piled up over the years and what I should just really get to complete the year of 2024 for Christmas. So a Santa, I had him for 2 years now, so it was $7 at Dollar General. This sign, the star, Denzel said it doesn't work, so I added to the list. Star no longer works. This has been with me since I started YouTube, y'all. I have the stockings that I did with my Cricut, a little tree, some more signs. Here's the pumpkin. I was looking for this pumpkin, y'all, but next season. Snowman, a snowman. Love this ones. Like, they're so cute and simple, but we got them at Dollar General for like 2-3 years ago. They have some good stuff. Don't sleep on Dollar General, Family Dollar. They have such a good deals and prices. I absolutely love this tree. Have you still a Merry Little Christmas? I was looking for this too. Oh, Thanksgiving is over, almost over. 4 hours for it to be over. I definitely need some batteries. This Christmas tree, buffalo check. So get on ready with me and let's go shopping tomorrow. I am literally trying to find a cap so I can just hop in the shower without ruining my hair, because we rocking this hair, y'all. Okay, we are. You guys, I literally just found the evidence. Look, let me show you. 2 nights ago, President and I ended up ordering food, and for the kids not to find out the next day, we just hid it in the bathroom. I had to get rid of the evidence tomorrow, y'all. Don't feel guilty if you're a parent and you do this. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. That day they had pizza, and we were like, we don't want anything. And then at 11 p.m. we got the late craving, and that was the result. This will do. This is Hazel's actually. I ain't gonna lie, I have been emotional today too, because I can't help but to think of my brother on the holidays. But I believe wholeheartedly that I will see him one day. I don't know, just get some moments sometimes that I just want to cry. And it's good to cry, y'all. It's good to cry, and it's good to let it out. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. And that's on period. Anyway, so I ended up getting this cleansing balm. I normally don't get it from this brand, but I was desperate to take makeup off, right? And it was $4, like 99 cents off. It's infused with aloe, and it works to a certain extent, but it's the worst at the same time. Like, I don't understand it. Like, coconut oil is better than this, but I'm gonna use it. It's new. Like, I have to use it, and I'm gonna take the rest with like a paper towel or something, and then the rest of my skincare, I'll do it in the shower. This is why I love doing just body shower sometimes too, because I can take my makeup off so easily with no problemos. No problemos. Clean with me and my husband's job. So this is an actual church, and he has like rooms for kids, you know, carpets and stuff. They have rooms for like 2 to 3 years old, young adults, all of that stuff. So here is the nursery room, which this shares. Goodness, it gives me Amazon vibes and very comfortable vibes. But Look at their Christmas tree. Goals. This is like a, I don't know, cafeteria maybe? It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool church. Of course they have cameras. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't be recording. I'm gonna just get out of here. So as you can see, it's very Christmas vibes. A girl bathroom, duh. It smells amazing. This church is located in Yukon if you want to stop by. Church always looks good when it's full. And everything's basically done. Got some trash and we have to clean these windows or doors, whatever. Also, wait, hold on, where's he at? Alrighty, so we are going to head to Goodwill. It wouldn't be me if I don't check out the thrift store first for decor. You know, I don't know. I was telling Zoe like 2 weeks ago, I want to decorate this year like the 90s, but it's too late now. Like, it's just too late. I feel like we need to bring more color to our lives. Everything's just so neutral these days that it's like, I don't like it. I don't like it. And I don't like to blend in. So I'm going to see if I can find some goodies at Goodwill. And if I don't, then, you know, we're still going to Hobby Lobby regardless. Right, babe?
Yep. Sure is.
Goodwill has a Christmas tree, babe. This won't fit in the house, huh? For $50. Gorgeous. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that is cute. Cute basket. I don't know what this is, but it creeps me out. Look at these shoes. Tinkerbell vibe. This snowman. And I like that sign of joy. So get a cart, Hazel. Huh? Get a cart, please. So this is what I'm talking about. This is 90 vibes. And I'm adding it to the collection. No, maybe not. You see what I'm saying? Look at the PJs. I know I already have these, but these are different. You wouldn't understand, son. If they fit, I'm gonna take them. And they fit. So I just got me some Reeboks for $10. You guys, they have Crocs for $10. Like what? Nikes. These Adidas are actually not bad at all. And they're Sambas. Should I get them? Today is just my day. I'm taking them. This is actually DIY because I can feel the glue. But this is 90 vibes indeed. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Ooh, what a find. That's, yes.
Well, I gotta get it.
Yes, you have to. I can't believe the finds that we got today.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so glad we came. I'm so glad we came.
That's good.
What I do know is that we're heading to Hobby Lobby now.
Yes.
And to eat. I need to eat something.
Yeah.
I'm craving Subway like so bad. I am starving and so are the kids. I'm gonna get myself some Subway. Preston, I don't think he wants Subway, and I don't know what the kids want yet, but I know what I want. I am hungry, and I don't know what is it about the holidays that it should be such a winter wonderland, right? Shopping for Christmas, because you don't do it often, aka me, and they're tripping the entire time, tripping.
No,
it's
don't
like,
be including me in that tripping clock.
hi, can I get a foot long of Italian herbs and cheese? Yes. Food is secure. I am so excited to eat, but since I have not been eating all day because I keep throwing up, I have been drinking Pedialyte all night, all day. Who's that? Who's calling me? Yes, can I help you?
Where's that?
Bien lejos estoy yo.
Okay. Well, Kelly asked if you could drop me off and give me $20. That way we can go to Grand Patrol. If I can.
Ándale pues. Okay, bye. To eat because I have not eaten all day, but I have drank Pedialyte. I don't know, just this. I feel a lot better than the past 2 weeks for sure, but I still tend to cough a lot that it makes me throw up. So if anything does want to happen like that, girl, no, we're gonna be close to the restroom.
3 days later.
You know how many times I have seen this little toy everywhere on social media? So I basically got it for me for $179. After 3 years, we finally got a air fryer for $35.
I don't know what she was waiting on.
Look, you don't even respond to your messages or nothing.
After 3 years, guys, she finally listened to me and get the air dryer.
To show him the blanket that I got. A Christmas blanket.
That's also my blanket.
No, she will be using it, that's for sure. As you can tell, this was a quick Target run. I needed some litter for the cat, for Celeste, you know, my tete. And I love this brand, the Wonder Shop. I think I don't want a tree skirt this year. I think I want that circle thing so she won't be jumping on the tree. But it's $30, so you know I have to convince the husband for that.
Tomorrow?
He said, gosh. Anyways, so I got this cute little tree, just like, you know, it's a peppermint ribbon tree for $3. So it's like simple and cute.
I'm gonna help you tomorrow?
Yeah.
Is it Christmas?
Yeah. So this will complete today's video. I hope you're excited for our next video, which is gonna be Christmas decorating. And it's not huge, it's not like, ooh, but it's different, and a change is always good. So make sure you stay tuned for our next video. I love you guys. Bye.
Peace.
Things you don't see